Good morning, Cardinals. Welcome back to another great day at Ned Rose Elementary. Today is Wednesday, May 8th, 2024. We have one birthday to celebrate today. We have Jordan in 4th grade celebrating her birthday. So happy birthday to you, Jordan. Hope you have a wonderful day. Lunch today is fajitas with chips and salsa, and breakfast is pancake dogs tomorrow morning. No events going on in the district today. Our weather, it's kind of misting out there this morning when you came in probably. Hopefully the rain will hold off today. There's just a slight chance. So my hope is that we're going to be outside for recesses today. On that note, 4th and 5th grade, it is a bit of a lake over at that playground in the back area back there. So please try to stay out of that area if it is still super wet today, which I'm guessing it will be. We got a lot of rain yesterday. Stay up in the front part of the playground so you're not coming in soaking wet. All right? We don't want you coming in with wet shoes and having to walk around in those for the rest of the day. All right, yesterday was Tell a Joke Tuesday, and the joke was, why don't oysters share their pearls? Why don't oysters share their pearls? Did you get this one? The answer is because they are shellfish. They are very shellfish. All right. Today we are going to do, my family and I were talking about this morning, and we were talking about phobias and things that we're scared of. So for our word of the day Wednesday, we're gonna go over a couple weird phobias. Okay, phobia means you're scared of something. So if you have arithmophobia, what does that sound like? Arithmophobia is the fear of numbers. So if you really don't like math class, maybe you have arithmophobia. Okay, plutophobia is the fear of money. It's kind of a weird one. Xanthophobia is the fear of the color yellow. I don't think I know anybody that's scared of the color yellow. Ablutophobia is the fear of bathing or showering. Okay, octophobia. Those of you who are going over shapes, or if you're a little bit older and you've done this for a few years, what do you think octophobia might be? Octophobia, the fear of the number 8. Okay, it kind of sounds like octagon. Okay, optophobia is the fear of opening your eyes. Globophobia is the fear of balloons. Oh my gosh, there's so many weird phobias. We could go on forever. Kind of interesting to look those up. All right, those are your words of the day. One last thing that we're going to do this morning. Yesterday we had some teacher appreciation trivia, and I pulled this information from a survey that I sent out to the teachers at the beginning of the year. So teachers, if you weren't on there, it's just because your stuff wasn't on that survey at the beginning of the year. So the following teachers, here's a reminder of what it was, have spent their entire career right here at Ned Rose. It was Mrs. Walker, Miss McKibben, Mrs. LaFountain, Mrs. Reedon, Mrs. Volk, Miss Mesmer, Miss Holeen, Mrs. Olson, and Mrs. Foley. And we had, the question was, what is the total combined years of experience of those teachers? And I had 2 teachers that were only 2 years away. One of them was 2 years more, and one of them was 2 years less than the actual number. So I'm going to have Nora. Nora, come over here. I have those 2 teachers in my hand right here. I'm going to have Nora pick a hand. Which hand? This one or this one? Left hand? Okay, she picked the left hand. So this teacher is winning 4 Hot Tots tickets. And the correct answer was 119 years. 119 years. And those of you that are in Mrs. Olson's class, she has spent her whole career here, and she has worked here for 28 years. If you're in Mrs. Walker's class, She's worked here for 21 years. Miss McKibben's been here for 19 years. We've got teachers that have been here for a long time. That's awesome that they've stayed with us for so long. So, the winner of our 4 Hot Tots tickets today is, can you see it? Mrs. Paul. Mrs. Paul, you get 4 Hot Tots tickets. I'll deliver those to you this morning. All right. That's it. That's all I've got for you today. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Remember to always show great Cardinal character. You may go ahead and stand for the pledge.